Okay guys, today I'm back with another video. Today I will teach you how to make your Pioneer account in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia or the worldwide, and anywhere in the world you can make this account. But the process which I will follow, I will teach you how to make your Pioneer account in Saudi Arabia. Actually, the Pioneer is the website which allows you to buy digital currency, which allow you to make the transfer between your bank and your credit cards. If you are an online seller, you can also purchase and buy things and goods, item and other services from this Pioneer. Okay, without wasting a time, we will move our next step. First we have to open our browser, whichever browser you are using. You just have to say simply write Pioneer Pioneer account login. Okay, I simply searched in my browser, Safari or Google, whichever you are using. You just have to simply click on your Google and Safari login Pioneer account. Okay, the first website, it is the official website, so you just have to click on the Pioneer login. After clicking on the Pioneer login, if you are already an user, you just need to sign in. Okay, simply write your email or username here, or and then password, and simply sign in. You will be logged into your account. And if you are new user and want to create a new account in Saudi Arabia for selling and purchasing, and for the products or the services you are offering, just simply sign up. Click on sign up. So this page, you can see that it's open in Arabic language. If I want to change my language, I just have to click on this icon on the Pioneer logo. Okay, then I will have to go on this menu bar. I will click on here this language. Choose my language, which language you are using. There are a lot of languages, including Bengali, Hindi, Italian, Francis, and so many other languages, also Japanese, Spanish, English. So I want to choose my language. It is in English, so I will choose English. Here, this page will appear in English. So now I can easily see that all the languages in all the translation is in English, so it is easy for me. So if you want to continue in English, then click on English. If you want to continue in Arabic, then click on Arabic. I want to continue in English, I will click here. Okay, then I will go and click on this bar icon saying it's register. Okay, now this page will open. Okay, first, then what you have to do, you just have to simply click on this bar icon. If you are a freelancer or SMB, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual, whichever option suits to you according to your purpose of using, you can click from here. If I want to be online seller, I will click on online seller. Freelancer, will click on freelancer. I will choose my individual account. Okay, so the next thing is, I am looking to, I want international clients to be paid for by me, or I will receive and send the money between friends and family. I have to choose one option. I want that my clients and other marketplaces should pay to me. I will click this option. The next option will be appear. Next page will open. After this page open, you just have to simply click on this bar icon, register. Okay, so now here you can see this page opens. If you are running a company, if you have a registered company inside a kingdom, then what you have to do, you will click on this bar icon. If you don't have any business and you are individual and you are a freelancer or an private employee, or any other work like you're doing as a freelancer, you can also choose this individual account for your friends and family, and just want to transfer money, just simply click on this individual account. If you have any company or any corporation, then you can click on the second option. So if you'll click on company, then you must have to make sure that your company is registered in Saudi. Okay, so the next thing, I will click my name here. This is first name used in Quran. Okay, for example, the name which I am using here must be written is the same as it is in my Ikama number, or if you are Saudi citizen, so you should care about that the name you are written is same as in your Ikama number, because later on when you will go for verification, it will be verified by Payoneer, okay, with your bank accounts, that actually your name is according to your Payoneer name. So both names should be actual and there should be no spelling mistake. I'm using this suppose I'm just using these names just for the purpose to make you understand, okay. So the next step, I will enter my email, okay. So I have to verify my email and re-enter my email address, so there is no mistake, because they will always send you emails for your transactions and and the further purposes for doing business with Payoneer. So your email should be correct, and date of birth, if you want to choose your date of birth, you can change date of birth as listed on your government issued ID, and you must have be 18 years old to apply. Okay, so change your date of birth here. Okay, so should be 18-year-old. Any date means your date of birth according to your Ikama or your digital ID. Okay, so the next step, you will have to choose your country. If you are in Saudi Arabia, like I'm in Saudi Arabia, I will choose this option. Address line, your address should be verified address, because for the later on verification purposes they will ask you to verify your address. So you can also go to national portal address, which is the website by the government, and nip.com. there you can go, you can register first, and then you can log in by using your Ikama and your password, and when you will enter, you can get a copy, download a copy of registration address in NIP national address, and then you can give them as a proof for verification that you are living inside the kingdom, okay. So I'm so for first line address, you will have to write your own verified address, and then this is optional. If you want to leave it, you can leave it as it is. City or town, if you want to keep your city like you're living in Jeddah or Makkah or anywhere, then zip code or postal code, you can find it in Google. If you will log into Google and write postal code of Jeddah, then there will be postal code and zip code available in Google. You can get your zip code and postal code. Please make sure that this postal and zip code is correct and according to your place of living or area, because later on they will send you a card, same like ATM card or debit or credit card, due to which you can also withdraw and deposit cash also. The phone number should be correct, okay, and they will send you one verification code, and then you will have to click apply next. Okay guys, the next video I will upload later. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. For the this video is only for the purpose to aware you that how to make Payoneer account. The part 2 will be coming soon. Stay connected. Thank you.